Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here using black color sketch pen to draw the outline of rose flower. It's black color oil pastel. Shade with oil pastel boundaries of the rose flower. Rub with tissue paper. Fill the rose flower with red color sketch pen. If you have any doubts regarding border sketches or else, message on Instagram, follow on Instagram, the link given in the description box. Draw the boundaries of leaves with green color sketch pen. Fill the leaves with parrot color sketch pen. Using scale, draw the lines with black color marker pen. It's sky blue color sketch pen.
Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing.